Want to create realistic talking avatars, even with just an 8 GB VRAM GPU? In this video, we'll install Humo GGUF, an open-source AI model that generates talking videos directly from image and audio. Humo is a unified human-centric video generation framework designed to produce high-quality, fine-grained, and controllable human videos from multimodal inputs, including text, images, and audio. Let's review what's MIG. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary models for Humo. I have left the model link in the comments section. You can access and download. After downloading, we will get a list of files as in the video. We will move the files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. After moving the file, run ComfyUI. We will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. Then we will reselect the model in the nodes according to the downloaded model. Now we will upload the pictures and audio.
Welcome to MuseFlow AI.
We will use the built-in prompt, then I adjust the output length, and then run the workflow.
Welcome to MuseFlow AI. Welcome to MuseFlow AI.
The result is pretty good. I will try another photo. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capability. The result is pretty good. I will try another photo. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. And that's it. You've successfully installed Humo GGUF and created your first AI talking avatar locally on a low-VRAM GPU. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more tutorials.